Hello, today I'll show you how to change the battery on Honda NT. First, remove the passenger seat. Here you'll see located this one. Remove those hex bolts. Be careful because they have some washers. And here you'll also find the diagnostic port. Okay, second is removed. Now push out. My battery was removed because of the winter. This is the OM battery, and before connecting it, I recommend to use some guiding paper in order to remove the oxide build up on these terminals. As it can be seen, there was something on those terminals, so it was a good thing that I had some guiding paper. Let's check the plus terminal. Same issue here. Let's clean it. Same thing on the battery as well. Remove the screws before installing it. So the surface is not so rough. Try not to lose the washers. Final point, just install the battery. I guess you'll need both hands for this operation. So I'll pause the video. So first insert it like this, and after that you have to tilt it. And that was all. And connect the terminals like this. First start with the negative. For tightening you need a 10 mil. and at around 50 Newton meters, so it's enough. Now let's continue with the first one. Same thing. Tie the bolt. If you want, you can use some dielectric grease on the terminals or some electrical spray, but it's not the case here. And that's all. Now reverse the procedure. Put the seat back. After that, put the bolts here on the passenger seat. That was all. Thanks for watching. Bye.